Hello students, welcome you all for mathematics class. In last class, I discussed question number 1 to 6 in exercise 2.1 of chapter inverse trigonometric functions. In this class, I am going to solve next examples. So here is a question number 7. Find the principal value of sec inverse of 2 by root 3. And we know that domain and range of sec inverse function. Sec inverse, domain of a sec inverse function is a all real number except open interval -1 to 1 value. To the range value, range of the sec inverse function is a closed interval 0 to pi except pi by 2. So this is a principal value branch. Principal value of the sec inverse means the value lies in the interval closed interval 0 to pi except pi by 2. So here consider the given function sec inverse of 2 by root 3 equal to y. Then sec y equal to, consider sec inverse in RHS, that is sec y equal to 2 by root 3. Secant y equal to 2 by root 3. That is sec y equal to, so in LHS sec y as it is, and what angle has a sec of 2 by root 3? That is sec pi by 6. Pi by 6 means 30 degrees. Sec 30 degree value is 2 by root 3. So in place of 2 by root 3, so we can write sec of pi by 6. Sec y equal to sec pi by 6. And we know that the range of sec inverse is a closed interval 0 to pi except pi by 2 value. And the sec pi by 6, sec 30 degree value is a 2 by root 3. And check pi by 6. Pi by 6 lies in the interval closed interval 0 to pi except pi by 2. Pi by 6 means 30 degree. 30 degree is lies in the interval closed interval 0 to pi except pi by 2. So hence the principal value of sec inverse of 2 by root 3 is pi by 6. So here pi by 6 belongs to the interval closed interval 0 to pi except pi by 2. And 8th one, find the principal value of cot inverse of root 3. And here domain and range of cot inverse function. Cot inverse function, domain of the cot inverse function is all real number, and the range of the cot inverse function is the open interval 0 to pi. So open interval means it excludes the 0 and pi value. So consider the given inverse trigonometric function, that is cot inverse of root 3 equal to y. Then cot y equal to root 3. That is cot y as it is, and what angle has cot of root 3? That is cot pi by 6. Cot 30 degree value is root 3. That is cot y equal to cot pi by 6. And we know that the range of cot inverse is a open interval 0 to pi. Pi means 180 degree. Open interval 0 to 180 degree. And cot pi by 6 value is a root 3. Hence the principal value of cot inverse of root 3. So given function cot inverse of root 3, principal value of cot inverse of root 3 is a pi by 6. Pi by 6 means 30 degree. 30 degree is lies in the interval open interval 0 to pi. So hence the principal value of cot inverse of root 3 is a pi by 6. And question number 9. Find the principal value of cos inverse of -1 by root 2. And a domain and range of a cos inverse function. Cos inverse function, domain of a cos inverse function is a closed interval -1 to 1, and a range of the cos inverse function is a closed interval 0 to pi. Closed interval 0 to pi. Consider, let cos inverse of minus 1 by root 2 equal to y, then cos y equal to minus 1 by root 2. So in LHS cos y as it is, in RHS negative sign as it is, and what angle has a cos of 1 by root 2? So that is cos 45 degree, cos pi by 4. Cos 45 degree value is 1 by root 2. And we know that minus cos theta equal to cos of pi minus theta, or minus cos theta equal to cos of pi minus theta, or cos of pi plus theta. And here theta is a pi by 4. So theta value is pi by 4. So check LHS cos y as it is. In RHS use the first formula, that is cos pi minus theta. Pi minus theta value is a pi by 4. That is cos, take the LCM, 4 is the LCM, 4 pi minus pi is a 3 pi by 4. And use the second formula, that is cos y equal to cos of pi plus pi by 4. That is cos 5 pi by 4. But the principal value means the value lies in the interval range of the principal branch, that is closed interval 0 to pi. So here 3 pi by 4 means 3 into 180 degree divided by 4. 4 ones are 445, 45 into 3, 135 degree. And check 5 pi by 4. 5 into 180 divided by 4, 4 1 ja 445, 45 into 5, that is 225 degree. So check, so what value lies in the interval, closed interval 0 to pi. So here 135 degree is lies in the interval 0 to pi. 225 degree so is not lies in the interval 0 to pi. So 0 to pi means closed interval 0 to 180 degree. So 3 pi by 4 means 135 degree. 135 degree lies in the interval closed interval 0 to pi. So that's why we use the formula, first formula, minus cos theta equal to cos of pi minus theta. So here minus cos pi by 4 equal to cos of pi minus pi by 4. We know that the range of cos inverse is a closed interval 0 to pi and a cos 3 pi. So here cos y equal to cos of, so take the LCM, 4 is the LCM, 4 pi minus pi is a 3 pi by 4. Cos y equal to cos 3 pi by 4. Cos 3 pi by 4 value is a minus 1 by root 2. And 3 pi by 4 value is lies in the interval, closed interval 0 to pi. Hence the principal value of cos inverse of minus 1 by root 2 is a 3 pi by 4. And next example, so question number 10. Find the principal value of cosec inverse of minus root 2. Find domain and range of cosec inverse function. Cosec inverse function. Domain of the cosec inverse function is all real number except open interval minus 1 to 1. Range value, range of a cosec inverse function is a closed interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 except 0. The principal value of cosec inverse means the value lies in the interval range of principal branch. So here consider the given question. So cosec inverse of minus root 2 equal to y, and cosec y equal to, so consider cosec inverse in RHS, that is cosec y equal to minus root 2. In LHS, cosec y as it is equal to negative sign as it is, and what angle has a cosec of root 2, that is cosec pi by 4. Cosec 45 degree value is a root 2, and we know that minus cosec theta equal to cosec of minus theta, minus cosec pi by 4 equal to cosec of minus pi by 4, and we know that the range of cosec inverse is a closed interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 except 0, and a cosec of minus pi by 4 value is a minus root 2, and minus pi by 4 means minus 45 degree. Minus 45 degree lies in the interval, closed interval, minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 except 0. So because the principal value of cosec inverse means the value lies in the range of the cosec inverse function, that is closed interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 except 0. So here minus 45 degrees lies in the interval range of the cosec inverse. Hence principal value of cosec inverse of minus root 2 is a minus pi by 4. Okay students, in next class we will discuss next examples. Thank you.